Welcome back to Delisha Life and Travel. I'm Delisha, a lifestyle and travel vlogger and an entrepreneur also in Guangzhou, China, with my own company called Guangzhou Liberia Shipping Logistics Trading Limited. Today we are in Beijing. We came to verify a machine, a yellow machine that a client wants. Stick with me. So what is the total operating hours on the meter?
3,857.7 hours, okay?
Any visible hydraulic leaks from the cylinders?
No. 这个液压杠啊、软管、液压泵是否有可见或隐藏的液压泄漏？有没有泄漏？没有。No leak. Hydraulic. No leaks. Yeah.
Does the engine produce any excessive smoke?
Excessive smoke?
On cold start or during heavy work?
Any smoke? 没有烟吧？
没，之前都打着火，没烟。
No smoke.你开始了吗？他要看一下发动机这个没有。Okay, he will start this machine and show you. 加快 ，OK， 加快，对，加速就是加速，他看有没有烟儿，这是第4个问题了。
Okay. Are the hydraulics maintaining proper pressure and smooth response under load?
Okay, let me check. Okay. 这个液压系统在负载下是否能保持压力 ？Okay, he will to tell the driver to show you.
-然后他写的这些东西打印出来，让他一样的，再确定 OK， 然后呢？
行。
然后咱附带咱那个。
你得弄好，准备好啊。This is more details we can look. It's C80 original machine.
原装的，这个属于原装的，没动过。
Original.
What is the current wear percentage on the tracks, rollers, and undercarriage components?
他说这个履带啊。你过来嘛？履带、拖链轮和底盘部件的当前磨损百分比是多少 ？New 80%, used 20%. Yes. So it's normal use. 看发动机和配。
But has the cooling system been serviced?
没有维修过是吧 ？No overheating. The maintenance subject oil filter, fuel filter, and air filter, and the bucket teeth and gear oil.
The gear oil.
Gear oil. The bucket tooth and the gear oil. We give our clients a new set, and they can in his country install it.